There are 3 popular electric pressure washer models sold on Amazon, and let me just talk to you a little bit about the differences of them. And I love the electric pressure washers. They're lightweight. They're also easy. One of the things I like about them, they're very lightweight, easy to move around. Also, they operate quieter than some of the gas pressure washers that I've used in the past. Now, the one thing I would say about electric versus gas, if you're trying to operate a large surface cleaner, I would often point people toward a gas one instead of electric. Even if the electric may be rated at a higher PSI, I've found that the gas ones typically seem to be more powerful and perform better with a surface cleaner. But if you're talking about soft washing a building, a car, a golf cart, a boat, just general cleaning, things like that, then I think the electric pressure washers are great. And honestly, I haven't found a huge difference in the PSI rating. It could be as low as 1600 PSI or as high as 4200 PSI. I found they're all adequate for that, but maybe struggle. And they're fine, and I should say they're fine in cleaning driveways, okay? It's just running a big surface cleaner oftentimes takes a lot of power. So with that being said, let's talk about these 3 models. The Powrite, a very popular one. A couple things about it. It's got the nozzles. It's stored right on the handle. It comes with 4 nozzles. I got one on the gun, the white one, and it comes with these other 3. Very easy to use. These are going to be very similar in the way they operate. This one's rated at 3500 PSI, 2.4 gallons per minute. So that's something you want to look at, the gallons per minute and also the PSI. Again, for just cleaning basic things around the house, I don't think it matters that much if one's a little more powerful. The SWIPESMITH, the green one of the features it has is this reel. So that's convenient if you're always getting tangled in the cord and things of that nature. You can see all these going to come with the spray cannon, a foam cannon here that you can connect and put some kind of soap in there if you want to do that, again, for washing a car, boat. This one's got the 4 nozzles as well. The blue one over here, similar setup, 4 nozzles, got the foaming cannon. Super light, super easy to maneuver these things around. The green one in the middle, the SWIPESMITH, it's rated at 3800 PSI, 2.6 gallons per minute, so a little bit more powerful rating than the Powrite. Again, I don't personally think that's a big deal. The blue one is even the more powerful, and 4200 PSI at 2.8 gallons per minute. So more volume through this one. Other tip I would recommend is using a decent size hose, at least like a 5/8 inch diameter is going to help you with the water flow running through your pressure washer. These are all 3 popular. Get good reviews. Hope this video is helpful in explaining to you some of the differences.